Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. First, pop the hood. Next, move over this latch to the left. Lift up the hood, and you're going to take this rod and prop up the hood. You're going to stick it in this hole right here. All right, guys, your filter is right in here, and it's pretty easy to change. See these two latches? You're going to push away from the box to undo them, and then they kind of slide out of this part over here, and there's another on the other side. Comes up, and this is your filter. Just pull it out. There you go. That's what the filter looks like. It's still pretty clean because this car only has 11,000 miles. Once you get your new filter, just pull this up, drop in your new filter, close it, and then you're gonna get these tabs to slide in there, this side too. So slide it in place, make sure it seats all the way down. Then these guys are gonna have to snap in place. That's it. That's all that's to it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.